To save time, you can insert slides from a presentation you previously created. In this lesson, you'll insert slides from another presentation. To insert a few slides from an existing presentation, we'll select them in the Reuse Slides pane. The inserted slides take on the formatting of our presentation, but we'll also use the Reset command to ensure everything is positioned correctly. Let's get started. In Step 1, I'll click the Slide 4 thumbnail. Then, in the Slides group, I'll click the New Slide list arrow, and at the bottom of the menu, I'll click Reuse Slides. The Reuse Slides pane opens over here, allowing you to easily insert slides from other presentations or from a slide library. A slide library is a folder that you and others can access to open, modify, and review presentation slides. We just want to insert a slide from another presentation, so in Step 2, I'll click the Browse button, I'll click Browse File, I'll locate my data files, and I'll select the presentation file PPT-C-4. This is known as the source presentation. Now I'll click Open, and the 6 slide thumbnails from the source presentation appear in the pane. In Step 3, I'll click the Manitoba Tour slide, and the new slide appears in our presentation, which is now considered the destination presentation. As you can see, the slide automatically takes on the formatting of our presentation. In Step 4, we'll insert another slide, but to maintain its original formatting, I'll click the Keep Source Formatting checkbox. I'll click the Northern Quebec Tour slide, and it's inserted using the formatting of the source presentation. Now, I'll click the Keep Source Formatting checkbox again to uncheck it, and in Step 5, I'll click the Slide 4 thumbnail. We want to insert 2 more slides, so back over here, I'll click the Trans-Canadian Luxury Tour slide and the Southern Ontario Tour slide. The slides are inserted with the style and formatting of our presentation. We don't actually need slides 6 and 8 though. So in Step 6, with Slide 6 still selected, I'll press the Control key while I click the Slide 8 thumbnail, and I'll release Control. Next, I'll right-click the Slide 8 thumbnail, I'll click Delete Slide, and the 2 slides are removed. In Step 7, I'll click Slide 6. You'll notice that objects on inserted slides, such as this picture, may not be positioned correctly. To fix that, I'll press the Shift key while I click Slide 5, I'll release Shift, and with these newly inserted slides both selected, I'll click the Reset button. And the 2 slides are set to the original default settings for this design theme. Finally, in Step 8, I'll close the Reuse Slides pane, and I'll save our work. To try these steps yourself and for some helpful tips, and to learn about using multiple windows to work with more than one presentation, turn to page PowerPoint 60 in your book.